welcome back to another video. I'm talking low because my kid is asleep, so I promise y'all that's my craft box. I promise y'all that I will give a part 2 demoing the use of the Legooin mini heat press. Now here I am today with part 2. So I made a mistake and I won't bother to correct it. My husband is calling. Sorry about that, guys. So my husband just called and I had to pick the call. So I made a mistake printing just now because I was impatient. I was supposed to mirror this image because it's the white transfer. It's the MECOLOUR White and Light transfer. So I was supposed to flip the image so that the word Gucci could be in the mirror format, but I totally forget due to impatience, as I said before. So I'm not going to throw it out because transfer papers aren't cheap. So I'm still gonna go ahead, just for the sake of this video, to try and put it onto this jersey t-shirt down here. And the machine is already at 185 degrees Celsius at 30 seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera around and then remove press the shirt for 5 to 10 seconds just to remove moisture from the area that I'm going to be putting the image. Yeah, I know my eyes then look tired, I want to sleep, and my brows are unkept. I haven't groomed them in a while, but that is that. So yeah, we're gonna flip the camera now and proceed to remove the moisture from the shirt and then lay the image down and press. This shirt that I'm wearing, I put this image on the sleeve here, and I also put Donald Duck on here, and this t-shirt belongs to hubby. Yeah, so here we go, guys. Alright guys, so here is the timer. In order to get this from Fahrenheit to Celsius, I hold down on this for about 2 seconds and then it jump. Then I add the time to where I want it. Then I press the temperature button again to keep it set. For the time, I did the same. I just press this and count up. And when it catch here, which is the 30 seconds, I press back the timer to have it stabilize. Now that you see the start is in green, which means it is ready to press. So what I'm going to do is lift this and slightly run it over the shirt, like I said, removing moisture from the area that I'll be pressing the image onto. Alright, so yeah, that's just about it. I'm gonna place the iron right here as it's supposed to, and I'm gonna put you guys on pause for just a second to cut my butcher paper, which I had forgotten to do. Okay guys, so I went ahead, cut my heat transfer tape, and I placed it in 4 places, 4 areas. The machine is ready to go, so I'm going to put the butcher paper over it, press the machine down and start pressing. I have to press for 30 seconds. And I'm just gonna run over it for an additional 10 seconds. Alright, so here goes. Just because I have the paper moving all over, so I'm going to be pressing for a little longer. Not cooking the shirt, however. And it's hot peel, so alright, let's hope it takes to this jersey material. Fingers crossed for the big reveal. And don't come for me down in the comments, the Gucci is going to be backwards. I have said that before. I could have cut the word Gucci off, but I did not. So yeah. Alright, let's see how I'm gonna do this with one hand. Baby daddy ain't here, ain't got no help. Ooh, good stuff. Ooh, the other tape is right here. Alright. Not bad. It's the jersey material. It's coming up, guys. Yeah. A bit came up, but as you can see, the big picture, it's still on there. And shirts that I have printed previously surpassed the wash test this morning, so far so good, not bad. So that's the shirt, y'all. That's the shirt. This is the carrier sheet. If it had been a cotton material, best believe there wouldn't be anything on here. Whoa, it feels like vinyl. It have a vinyl feel only because it's the jersey material. If it's cotton, well, it feel a bit vinylish on the cotton also, but not that drastic as it is on here. So after 10 minutes of being out of use, this automatically shuts itself off. Alright, which for me is a plus. But again, that is the shirt. One to them retarded people, adore Jesus. That's it, guys. That's the shirt in a wrap. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys for rocking with me. Like I said, I'll be trying to push out contents, even though it's hard with a baby who is demanding. Like, subscribe, and share the contents that I have uploaded thus far. Thank you. Bye, guys. Alright, guys, so I'm back. I changed my shirt into the shirt that I just pressed, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, so I don't know how close I can bring y'all in, but this is what the shirt looks like. Yeah, I'm loving my shirt. Yep. Bam. And guys, I'll be doing my son's personalized prints for his first birthday, and I'll be sure to bring you guys along with me. Toodles.